All right, so you got your two images. Again, this is a vector file, and then another. I just kind of trace them out you're looking for. So basically, just get it where you want to set. Select them both. This one's actually probably going to be so. This is grouped. It probably won't work. You'll have to make it a complete. So it's only one feature. It works better that way. Select them both, and then it's this one here. So unite it overlap. Then just click it, and it will cut it out. So you do lose your thing. So if you want to make a copy of that, you can always do outline, set it to 0. Myself outline, set it to 0. And what I normally do is actually just change the layer right off the bat. Go to layers and just hide this one, and then do the subtract overlap. And then you can turn it back on so you still have that cut out if you want. Hope that helps.